Hello guys, Fred here from Pro Tennis Trader. I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to go over my in-play analysis and discuss some important points from the Djokovic-Dimitrov final in the ATP Paris, which took place on the 5th of November. Now this was a great tournament, which provided loads of profit over the entirety of the tournament, and particularly the matches that Dimitrov played in. Now I provided daily trading previews of the matches I was going to trade, and if you haven't been following these, you can find them on my Facebook page, Instagram, Twitter or X, and of course YouTube, and I will be continuing to post these on a daily basis. You can find links in the description box below. So first off, here is the match preview that I posted on the morning of the 5th of November. Today we're at the Paris ATP final between Djokovic and Dimitrov. Now Dimitrov has provided loads of great trading matches during this tournament, as he often does, and of course that's why he is one of my favourite trading players. Now he's very much on form, but of course he's playing Djokovic here. Now obviously Dimitrov is the outside here, priced at 3.4, with Djokovic being the favourite at 1.33. Now Djokovic leads 12-1 in the head-to-heads, which is not surprising, and therefore I'll be very reluctant to trade against him. So really this is going to be more of an opportunistic strategy. If Djokovic drops the first sets, then I will be backing him as a drifting favourite. If he wins the first sets, I won't be looking to trade this match unless Dimitrov is looking particularly strong and really looking like he could take the second set. But ideally, we'd like to see Djokovic drop the first set to back him as a drifting favourite. Now have a good one, and good luck with your trading. So as you can see, I'm very reluctant to trade against Djokovic unless the opponent is looking particularly strong. It was the same for Federer back in his prime, and also Nadal. The same approach was also applied to Serena Williams back in her prime too. Now this is because, one, it is often unlikely at these kind of prices that the opponent will take a set off the favourite. And two, with this pricing scenario, you get little movement in the prices even when the opponent is holding serve, compared to a match with even more even pricing where you can lock in handsome profits on each service hold. So let's take a look at this first set, and we can see that Dimitrov actually had a really good first set. He had 3 solid service holds and was looking very good. He only dropped the first set from a break on his 4th service game despite going to 30 all. Now on the face of it, this is a great first set performance, and against any other player I would have no hesitation in backing him in the second set. But of course this is Djokovic. Let's go and take a look at the stats. So 2 aces from Dimitrov versus 3 from Djokovic, and Djokovic had the only double fault. 59% of first serves going in for Dimitrov versus 61% from Djokovic. This is a strong stat, with 70% of these being won versus 88% from Djokovic. Second service points won, 55% from Djokovic versus 43%, which is fair and certainly not an alarm bell. If we move down to the winners, we can see both had 7 winners, but Dimitrov did have 8 unforced errors versus just 2 from Djokovic. Now this is not a major alarm bell, but of course this must be taken into account. Now with Dimitrov winning 44% of the total points in the first set, this would normally be a green light to go ahead with a trade. Now despite having confidence in Dimitrov, I'll remind you of what I said earlier with these pricing scenarios. So number 1, it is often unlikely at these kind of prices that the opponent will take a set off the favourite. And 2, with this pricing scenario, you get little movement in the prices even when the opponent is holding serve, compared to a match with more even pricing, where you can lock in handsome profits on each service hold. And this was exactly the case in this match. Despite a strong performance from Dimitrov in the first set, the price movement was simply not there in the second set, despite 2 strong service holds before the break came. Now when there is little price movement, then of course the risk versus reward ratio is not balanced, and you're risking much more than you would hope to make in profit. Now this is a major consideration in trading, and is also always a key factor in deciding whether to trade in situations where there is a low priced favourite. Now if you did decide to trade this match, Then as long as you hedged out at deuce on Dimitrov's third service game, then you would have come away with a bit of profit. But in my eyes, this would have been a bit of luck, and this is not how to trade as a pro trader. This is much more of a gambling mindset, which of course I don't condone. So please do take note of the important points raised in this video, as this will help you to become a profitable trader. No harm done in this final to the balance sheet, and this tournament provided excellent profits, as is often the case when you carry out sufficient pre-match and in-play analysis, which of course are essential to profitable trading. Now until the next time, good luck with your trading.
Now if you found this video useful, then please do check out my YouTube channel for loads more videos and subscribe to be notified of when I upload new videos. And if you'd like to become a successful tennis trader, then you can start your journey by enrolling on my free video course, An Introduction into Tennis Trading, at protennistrader.com. And you can also grab a free copy of my ebook, Tennis Trading, the Ultimate Guide to Getting Started. I'll see you soon.